Hi everyone, my name is Grant Wiley. I'm with NEC Display Solutions here at DSE 2018. One of the items that I'd like to show today is NEC's new product. This is our new LED product from S-Quadrat. So this is a S-Quadrat display by NEC. This is 1.58 millimeter pixel pitch. We call this a Sky Series. This product is based on a 16:9 aspect ratio cabinet. The cabinet itself is one of the nice things about it. It's based on a 27-inch diagonal measurement. So this product could be a very quick and easy retrofit into existing 55-inch video walls. So if you have a 2x2 or 3x3 55-inch video wall, you could easily take that display out, put this display in its place. A couple of key items about this particular product. We have multiple pixel pitch based on the different viewing distances that you might want to set it up with. Everything from 1.26 millimeter up to 3.9 millimeter. We can make it pretty much any size you want. This particular one we're showing today is a 1.58 millimeter pixel pitch. It's full HD resolution, so 1920 by 1080. And this is actually going to be an item that we're going to skew up and make as a kit. So you can buy this as a kit where it'll have all of the cabinets, the mounting hardware, the control system and everything as one item. Make it a lot easier for everybody to buy. That's one of the things that we've heard is that LED tends to be difficult to buy because it's so complex. Well, we're going to try to take some of that complexity out of it. So anyways, my name's Grant Wiley. I'm with NEC Display. You can see more of this information at necdisplay.com.